Hello everyone, so I've just come to a new Dollar Tree to me and this is just the cutest outside. I've never been here before and I'm just completely wowed by how beautiful this Dollar Tree is. So I'm super excited to walk through here with you. I'm seeing things that I have not seen at other stores already. So we'll take a look together. Like these here are metal and I feel like they belong to the reindeer collection somebody was looking for. So I'm going to keep my eyes peeled. These are cute. So tell me, do you use these as garland on the tree? They're so pretty for paper crafts even. Aren't these cute? Right, what actually caught my attention as soon as I walked in here were all of the bags. I have not seen some of these bags at any of the Dollar Trees I've gone to, which amazes me because I go to quite a few of them. So here we are. Would you cut any of these up and display them in a frame or Mod Podge them on a canvas and use them as art piece for Christmas? I promise I haven't seen any of these bags, have you? Just so many options. It's crazy. This one here is 3D, so this pops off. I was wondering if there were more in the back, but it looks like they're all the same. Well, that's cute. If you have a ice skater, would be a nice gift bag. Look how beautiful this is. These are actually black and not the dark blue like I've seen in the past. I think these bags were out last year. These are new to me. I've never seen the little characters. Oh, look at this little camper and the red truck. So right now everything is really nicely stocked and full. These ones I've seen already and shared them with you. But in the next couple weeks, they'll probably be gone. What a gorgeous bag. See, this would be nice. And you can even do like the little lights where you add little lights to the bag to light them up. A great canvas to work with. Cute bags here too. We've spotted these already. I don't have very much time because the store is closing soon, but we'll just go down this aisle pretty quick. We've seen this. Wow, they have a lot of the white ornaments, but most of these signs we've seen, most of the ornaments we've seen. I was really impressed with the bags, but I do know that there's some more goodies in this aisle here, so we'll head over there. Oh, they have cute cards here. The little mushroom, I guess. No, toadstool. Oh, I think I need this just for the gingerbread men alone. The gingerbread girl and gingerbread boy. Oh, this is a beautiful card. Sometimes when you find a nice die cut like this, it's worth taking apart for your paper crafts. A few books here for Christmas. Something different than we've spotted these before. I feel like these are sparkly this year and last year they weren't. I'm gonna have to look at mine. I bought this booklet last year just for the gingerbread stickers and stuff, but I don't feel like the stickers I had were holographic. I'm gonna have to check. Looks like their activity books, so the Peanuts collection is all gone. So they have the Mickey Mouse, they have Rudolph, and then Peanuts. I bought a Peanuts book. I couldn't leave it behind. So I should share a haul with you guys sometime soon. Should we look at some of the treats? Great stocking stuffer. It's a Christmas Reese's. And they have candy canes here. So are these good? I hear that they're a different brand from last year. And last year's had some reviews that weren't so good. These would be cute to make hot cocoa, like little chocolate I don't know, maybe hot cocoa cups with marshmallows and stuff. This is made by the Waterbridge Company. Well, check these out. Whizzy Pop. I've never seen these before. So it's a straw and a candy cane. A candy, sorry, attached to it. These are going to sell pretty quick. The Peeps, little marshmallows. They're snowmen for a hot cocoa bar. Little treats. And oh, the Whizzy Pops. Look how fast this box is. Almost empty. Kind of cute. Has a little gingerbread man on the top. Oh, these are new to me too. Lots of cups here to choose from. So they have like these ones that are sparkly. And they're chubby cups. They're quite like wide, so not very convenient for a little hand. And they have these ones. These are narrow. They're nice. And then they have these fun ones for the kiddos. So plates, they have quite a lot of large plates. Now, I thought they were metal, but they're not. They're plastic. They are tricky. They're deceiving to the eye. Sometimes you find, oh, this one's cute. Sometimes you do find a nice metal one, but they're plastic. I've never seen these before. There's 2 in a pack, and they're the mini version of the ones that you see that are typically big. Cute little coffee one print too. Moving along, going a bit quick here, but it is what it is. So they have an end cap here with all the stuffies and some trees. So I just want to share something with you, because sometimes when you really put your mind towards finding a theme, you can do it at Dollar Tree. So let's stick with the gingerbread theme, right? There are these cute little ornaments that you can customize. Then they have these beautiful tins. You can put a gift in it. You can put baked goodies. It doesn't have to be just baked goodies in these tins. And then they have the sweetest little card to go with it. So you can even put makeup in the little tin, all sorts of nice things. You can put socks. You can make a little care package. So just, yeah, too bad that the top of this pink one says cookies for Santa. But aside from that, you really can find some cute patterns here to put together a gift in. I think this one is new to me. Look what I found. Okay, this is cute for cookies. How fun is the top? And if you're just looking for some simple, clear things, I've used these before for making gift baskets. The ones that are more rounded are perfect, except there's only blue here. I think I didn't have any clear. But anyways, I've shared how to do those on the channel. Let's take a look at the coloring books. There's some Star Wars themed coloring books here with really nice pages. Oh, it's paint by numbers, so a little bit different. Lots of office supplies. Have you spotted the new envelopes that have the self-sealing strip? These are new to me. See, every store is so unique. I've never seen the donuts before. These we've spotted at a couple stores, and they're so fun too. All right, where to next? Has anyone found any more of these little bags with the 4 in them? They were 4-pack there for a while. Absolutely perfect, neat, tidy store. So they have a few things here that I just want you to be aware of. They have the cardstock in the larger packs like this, and then they also have a smaller pack. So if you're needing to make a cake topper, I highly recommend the 12 by 12 sheets. So just be mindful of that. Some wall stickers that I haven't seen. They have the cute little tote bags, rolls of, I guess, like a fleece. Not really fleece. felt fleece. I'm not sure. And they're a bit bigger. These are all the standard things we normally see. We're going to go through a little bit faster than normal just because I'm short on time. I hear them closing up the store. Lots of vases. Someone was asking if I've seen any of the round discs, like the wood discs. So here's a store that's fully loaded. So I'm sure that they're still out there circulating at the Dollar Trees. They just probably sell fast. People use them for DIYs. These are perfect for Christmas. If you're doing the little tree and house staging all lined up with the bottle brush trees, that's a cute little house. Oh, I got excited and thought these were the little pull drawers that everyone was using to make the advent calendars. But okay, moving along super fast here. Lots of beautiful stickers. You guys know I'm a big fan of Dollar Tree finds. These are new. How nice are these stamps? They have sentiments. I recently purchased one of these because they're like the faux wax seal, and I think it would be so cute on the back of a envelope sealed up. You don't actually have to get your wax out. These are new. Well, actually, yeah, no, they're new. I haven't seen them before. I love this set too, just the letters. I know someone was looking for these. They're the metal deer and they're available. These are tea light holders and they're metal and they're so cute. And there's a whole bunch of different ones that I've never seen. What a lovely display. It doesn't even feel like Dollar Tree because all the plates are standing up facing you. And look, the mugs are so cute, right? A full kitchen accessory collection here. Most of the stuff is microfiber, so I don't gravitate towards it, but I know that there are some of you who don't mind the microfiber. I'll be back to this store to explore it. Look at the placemats, the ceramic table dishware. They have lots of these. These are selling fast everywhere. This is the old holly print, but then they also have the new one and the snowflakes. All right, I promise I'll bring you back to this Dollar Tree with me. So I was so happy walking through that Dollar Tree. It's probably been one of the nicest Dollar Trees I have ever been to. And I'm very fortunate with the ones that I visit locally. But I will bring you back and we'll go through the store with a little more time next time. I want to say thank you so very much for watching. And until next time, everyone, bye for now.
Autumn comes too soon.